Do you want to gain muscle and train your body effectively? Welcome to the Agora and Agoj channel, my dear pupils, in which we'll explore the exciting world of muscle gain and effective training. Imagine the benefits: improved health, a stunning physical appearance, and a surge in your strength and stamina. This isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling good and being at the top of your game. So are you ready to embark on this transformative journey with us? Stay tuned as we delve into a step-by-step guide on how to gain muscle and train your body. First things first, your diet plays a crucial role in muscle gain. Let's dive deep into the realm of nutrition and understand why. Think of your body as a high-performance vehicle. To function optimally, it requires the right kind of fuel. In the context of muscle gain, a balanced diet is that fuel. This involves the right mix of protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats. Protein is often hailed as the building block of muscle. It's not just a buzzword, there's science behind it. Protein is composed of amino acids, which are essentially the raw materials your body uses to build and repair muscle tissue. Hence, if you're looking to pack on muscle, a diet rich in protein is a must. Then we have carbohydrates. Contrary to some popular beliefs, carbs are not the enemy. In fact, they are your body's primary source of energy. When you're lifting heavy weights or embarking on intense workouts, it's the carbs that fuel your efforts. They replenish your glycogen stores, which are your muscle's main energy reserves. So, don't shy away from whole grains, fruits, and vegetables. Now let's talk about healthy fats. They are essential for the synthesis of hormones, such as testosterone, which is necessary for the development of muscle. Nuts, avocados, and olive oil are great foods to eat in order to obtain these healthy fats. Water is another important yet frequently ignored factor. Your body uses water for every single function, including the development of muscle. It facilitates the process of breaking down food, absorbing nutrients, and even moving those nutrients to your muscles. Last but not least, it's important to avoid processed and sugary foods. These quick fixes might be tempting, but they often lack the essential nutrients your body needs for muscle growth and recovery. Plus, they could lead to unwanted weight gain and other health issues. Remember, your body needs the right fuel to grow and recover. So prioritize a balanced diet and you'll be well on your way to achieving your muscle gain goals. Now that we've covered diet, let's move on to exercise. Exercise is essential to body training and muscular growth. It serves as the impetus for the change you're trying to achieve. However, not every workout is made equal. To build muscle, resistance and strength training are your best allies. Let's dig a little deeper. Resistance training involves activities that use weights, machines, or your own body weight to work your muscles properly. It increases lean muscle mass, which in turn boosts your metabolism and muscle definition. On the other hand, strength training is a type of physical exercise specializing in the use of resistance to induce muscular contraction, which builds strength, anaerobic endurance, and size of skeletal muscles. It all comes down to testing your body's limits, increasing the weight you lift, performing more repetitions, and making sure each exercise is more difficult than the last. Consistency is another key factor. Just like any other goal, building muscle isn't a one-time thing. It's a journey that requires a consistent and dedicated effort. You won't see results in a day or a week, but over time, with steady, consistent workouts, you'll notice the changes in your body. But that's not all. Progressive overload is the gradual increase of stress placed upon the body during exercise training. It's what keeps your body guessing, what keeps those muscles working, and ultimately what keeps those muscles growing. And last, but certainly not least, is the need for adequate rest and recovery. It's during these periods of rest that your muscles repair and grow. Without proper rest, you risk overtraining, which can lead to injuries and hinder your progress. So, there you have it. Exercise has a multifaceted function in creating muscle and training the body. It includes resistance and strength training, consistency, increasing overload, and getting enough rest and recuperation. Exercise is key, but remember to listen to your body and rest when needed. Now, let's not forget about the power of sleep. Often overlooked, sleep is a key player in muscle recovery and growth. Our bodies go through a process of rebuilding and repairing when we sleep. This is the prime time for your body to replenish energy stores and repair damaged tissues. In fact, during the rapid eye movement stage of sleep, or REM sleep, growth hormone is released. This hormone is essential for muscle growth and repair. Your body can't properly recuperate from the physical strain of your exercises if you don't get enough sleep, which can cause injuries and impede the development of new muscle. Moreover, quality sleep is just as crucial as the quantity. A deep, undisturbed sleep allows your body to go through enough cycles of REM sleep, optimizing the growth and repair process. So don't skimp on sleep. It's not wasted time, rather it's productive rest. Remember, a good night's sleep is just as important as your workout routine. Supplements can also play a role in muscle gain. This statement might have caught your attention, right? Well, let's dive into the science behind it. Protein supplements are one of the most commonly used tools in the world of fitness. They're made from a variety of sources, such as whey or plant-based proteins. Now, why are they so popular? Well, proteins are the building blocks of our muscles. After a strenuous workout, your muscles need to repair and grow. Protein supplements can provide your body with an extra dose of these essential building blocks, supporting muscle recovery and growth. Next up, we have creatine. This is a substance naturally found in our muscle cells. It helps your muscles produce energy during heavy lifting or high-intensity exercise. Taking a creatine supplement can increase your muscular stores of this compound, enhancing your performance and promoting muscle gain. And let's not forget about multivitamins. These are like the unsung heroes of the supplement world. They may not directly contribute to muscle gain, but they play a vital role in overall health and well-being. Multivitamins ensure that your body is not deficient in any essential vitamins or minerals. Some of these nutrients, like vitamin D and magnesium, are crucial for muscle function and recovery. Now, it's essential to remember that supplements are just that, a supplement to your diet. They're not magic pills that will transform your body overnight. A balanced diet, rich in lean protein, complex carbohydrates, and healthy fats, is still the foundation of any muscle-building program. Supplements may give you an edge, but they can't replace the fundamentals. Similarly, regular exercise is vital. Without putting your muscles under stress through weight training or resistance exercises, you won't see significant muscle gain, no matter how many supplements you take. In conclusion, supplements can be a valuable addition to your muscle-building arsenal. They can support your body's natural processes and enhance your performance. But remember, they're not a magic bullet. Supplements can give you an extra edge, but remember, they're not a substitute for a balanced diet and regular exercise. So, are you ready to start your muscle-building journey? We've covered a lot of ground today, so let's take a moment to recap the main points. We began by stressing the value of eating a well-balanced diet. Recall that food serves as fuel. It is the source of your energy for exercise and the source of the building blocks your body needs to create new muscle. A diet rich in protein, complex carbohydrates, and healthy fats is key to supporting muscle growth and recovery. Next, we talked about the role of exercise. Lifting weights and performing resistance exercises break down muscle tissue. This might sound counterintuitive, but it's actually the first step in the muscle-building process. When you rest and refuel after a workout, your body repairs the damaged muscle tissue and builds it back stronger and larger than before. But remember, it's not just about how much you lift, it's about how you lift. Proper form and technique are essential to prevent injury and ensure you're targeting the right muscles. We also highlighted the importance of sleep. Sleep isn't just a time for your mind to rest, it's a time for your body to repair and rebuild. During deep sleep, your body releases growth hormones that facilitate muscle recovery and growth. So if you're skimping on sleep, you're shortchanging your muscle gains. And finally, we discuss the benefits of supplements. While they're not a substitute for a balanced diet and regular exercise, supplements can provide an extra boost to help meet your nutritional needs and support muscle growth. Whether it's protein powder to help meet your protein needs, creatine to support energy production during high-intensity workouts, or branched-chain amino acids to aid in muscle recovery, supplements can be a valuable tool in your muscle-building arsenal. So where do you go from here? Start with small steps. If you're new to exercise, start with light weights and gradually increase as your strength improves. If you're adjusting your diet, make small changes rather than trying to overhaul your entire eating habits overnight. And remember, muscle gain takes time and consistency. It's not something that happens overnight, it's a process of gradual change and improvement. So keep at it, stay consistent, stay focused. And remember, the journey to muscle gain is not a sprint, it's a marathon. It's about making consistent, sustainable changes to your lifestyle that support muscle growth over the long term. It's about finding a routine that you enjoy and can stick with, not just for a few weeks or months, but for life. Remember, the journey to muscle gain is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay consistent, stay focused, and you'll see results. Again, remember, my dear pupils, no pain, no gain,